Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll talk about why are we not successful in our life. We hard work in our life but we are not successful. That is why we are depressed. We are worried about. Guys, one thing keep in mind, everything takes time and we have to be full for that because everything takes time. Have patience and keep on practicing. We have to be practicing because without practice you cannot get your success. Success needs time. So we should give the time and we should be patientful. And guys, we want to speak English fluently, and in this field we want to be successful. So that is why always we should practice. How much we know, it does not matter how much we know the structures, words and sentences, no problem. How much we practice, this is the important thing guys. If you have no friends, no problem, practice yourself. There are lots of apps available free of cost. You can use often talk and speak English, and there are also lots of paid version apps and online platform you can practice through those. So there is nothing to worry. Always feel that you can do everything. If you think like this, so then this will help you to be successful in life. This is the process. So be motivated always to do anything because this helps us a lot. If we want to be a fluent speaker, so always we have to be motivated first of all, then start speaking. Definitely we will be successful to speak fluently. To speak English, we lose our courage to speak English fluently. That is why we are not able to speak fluently. So guys, never lose your heart. Always feel motivated and keep on practicing. Definitely God will provide you your result. And through this channel, we are learning lots of things, English grammar and structures or sentences. So please subscribe to the channel and share the videos to your other friends. Okay guys, and if you have any knowledge, so please share with me, and with that topic I will discuss through the video. Okay, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And please, you must like. If you like my videos, so I feel motivation, then I make videos. I make videos regularly and upload on my YouTube channel, but I don't get views. When I check after uploading, I feel worried about. So there is nothing to worry. I hope one day definitely I will get my result, and I am learning, I am improving myself by making videos. If I make videos, then I make mistakes, and from them I try to get a opportunity. Next time I try to correct them. This is very good for me. So that is why don't feel nervous. I feel nervous, but I say to myself that please don't feel nervous, try again. Definitely I think I will get my result one day. That is why I keep on practicing, and I come in front of the camera to practice my English speaking, and I record the video and I upload on YouTube channel and I connect with you. So please, I request to you, please subscribe to the channel. And I try to upload short videos. Per day one video I upload in short. So please watch the short videos also and like, and if the videos are informative, so please like the videos. So guys, that's all for the time being for today, and see you again in the next videos. So thanks for watching. Take care till now. Bye bye.